Just need to fill the watering can up partially because I'm going to put in some worm juice and go and feed the corn plants out the front of the garden. We've got 2 blocks of corn. This is the short, late stuff. I put the bigger stuff in a couple of weeks ago. It's coming good now, we're getting cobs on it. Corn is a really heavy feeder, so I just need to put more on here now. Might as well water the tomatoes while I'm there too. The sunflowers have finished flowering and are now setting seed. And we just hope that the cockatoos don't find them before we can harvest some seed off them. Must be going to work time. The last 2 years we've lost all of our sunflowers to the cockatoos. There's some nice corn cobs coming along here. There's a few of them you can see. While this is going brown, it's not completely dry, and the corn's really not ready until that's all completely dried out, so it's probably not going to be too long. And then what I'll do is I'll just peel back the top of it and have a look and see how the cobs are developing. These are the flowers of the corn. You can see the pollen hanging off them.